All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another deep dive.
Yeah, always fun to have everyone back with us again.
Today we're going to dive into something that I think a lot of our listeners can relate to.
And use every single day.
Exactly. We're talking about ordering coffee.
Yeah, in English.
Yeah, it seems simple, right?
You would think so.
But, there's actually a lot of nuance to it.
There really is like a whole set of phrases that can really level up your coffee ordering game.
Exactly. And we've actually dug up 15 phrases that we think are essential.
These are going to make you sound like a pro.
Exactly. Even if you're, still working on your English.
Yeah. And the cool thing is, these phrases aren't just about getting the order right.
No, they're not.
It's also about that confidence,
Yeah.
fitting into that coffee culture.
It's about understanding the lingo and being able to kind of navigate that whole world.
Yeah, exactly. And I think we should just jump right in, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's start with a classic. How about, can I get a latte with extra foam, please?
Okay, so can I get a latte with extra foam, please? Now that seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it does, but think about it. You're not just asking for more foam.
Right.
You're telling the barista, hey, I'm in the know.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I appreciate a good latte.
Yeah, like a little bit of connoisseurship there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's subtle, but it makes a difference.
It does. So moving on, let's talk about sizes because sometimes,
Oh, this is a big one.
yeah, they can be all over the place.
You know what's funny is that the phrase, what sizes do you have?
Super simple.
Super simple, but it can save you
Oh, yeah.
from like a massive caffeine overdose.
Seriously.
Yeah.
You end up with like a bucket of coffee when you just wanted a small one.
Exactly. And different shops have different names for their sizes.
Oh, yeah. You've got your tall, your grande.
Your venti, your trenta.
Yeah, it's a whole world.
It is. So asking that question just clarifies everything.
Make sure you're getting what you want.
Exactly.
Now, how about milk alternatives? Can I get it with almond milk?
Ooh, yeah. This is huge now.
It is.
It seems like everyone's got a different milk preference these days.
They do. I mean, you've got your almond milk, soy milk, oat milk,
Coconut milk, hemp milk.
and the list goes on.
Yeah, so this phrase is really key.
Yeah,
It shows you're aware of all the options.
you're part of the conversation.
And you're comfortable making your choice.
Exactly. All right, let's talk about something that's really important no matter what language you're speaking.
Okay.
Politeness.
Of course. Always.
A simple phrase like, how much is a black coffee, please?
Shows respect.
Yeah, you're acknowledging the barista.
You're not just barking an order.
Exactly. You're treating them like a person.
And that makes a difference.
It really does. And, of course, never forget to say thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah, those little things go a long way.
They do. It creates a friendly atmosphere.
It does. All right, let's talk about a couple of phrases that seem similar but have a slightly different meaning.
Okay, I like this.
Can I get it here, please? Versus, I'd like my coffee to go, please.
Ah, yes. This is all about intention.
Exactly. Are you staying to enjoy your coffee in the cafe?
Or are you taking it with you?
And it helps the barista too,
Absolutely. They know how to prepare your drink.
whether they need to put it in a to-go cup or...
Yeah. It sets the scene for your coffee experience.
Exactly. Now, let's move on to my favorite part.
Oh, I know what's coming.
Customization.
Yes.
What flavors you have.
It's like opening a treasure chest of possibilities.
It is. And then you can follow up with something like, can I add vanilla syrup to that?
Ooh. Yeah, vanilla syrup, caramel, hazelnut.
The options are endless.
It's like creating your own coffee masterpiece.
Exactly. You're not just limited to the basic drink.
You're the artist.
You're in control.
And don't be afraid to ask questions.
Yeah. The barista's there to help.
They might even have some secret menu recommendations.
Ooh, that's exciting. Now, I think what we've really seen here is that these phrases,
And more than just words.
they're tools
Tools for communication.
for confidence.
For connecting with the culture.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And even if you make a mistake,
Don't sweat it.
it happens.
The most important thing is to keep practicing.
Keep trying.
Keep that confidence up.
Exactly. So, for our listeners out there,
Yeah?
picture yourself walking into a coffee shop,
Feeling confident.
ordering your perfect coffee in English,
Oofly.
effortlessly.
How does that feel?
Hold on to that feeling and let it fuel your language journey.
You got this.
You do. All right, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for joining us.
We'll see you next time for another deep dive into language and culture.
And coffee.